Why don't you punks save the seed for the birds and eat the peanuts? Pretty simple. But you guys are going to eat all the black oil sunflower seeds, aren't you? It is a very cold day out there. It's in the low 40s. It's a crystal clear day, but it's cold. Young whippersnapper here.
From all sides and have come together to try to reshape a country. We begin our conversation about this day.
There's jubilation in Tahrir.
Cinque anni nell'esercito e una notevole esperienza del mondo avevano ormai fatto scomparire tutte le romantiche idee sull'amore con le quali Perry aveva iniziato la sua vita. E cominciò a pensare, come tanti gentiluomini avevano fatto prima di lui, di sposare una donna ricca e di alto livello sociale. E così, come capita spesso, questi pensieri presero corpo nell'attimo in cui il suo sguardo si posò su una signora che da allora in poi avrebbe avuto un ruolo importante nel dramma della sua vita.
You can tell when a woman wants you, and you can tell when a woman's just being friendly.
Yeah, I heard she was into Beetlejuice, too. I heard she came on to Beetlejuice.
Yeah, right.
You know how I know she wasn't interested in John? We sat with her for 2 hours, and they were talking about their kids a lot. That's the way you know. That's how you get in.
Hey, I should make a, I don't mean to interrupt the fun, but this is a breaking news story, a serious news story.
What?
A plane has crashed, hold it, into the World Trade Center.
You're kidding!
The World Trade Center is on fire, which is the...
What is going on?
Really? Let me look out my window.
It's the tallest...
Just heard you right there.
And was it like one of those private planes?
Check out your line.
We have shared the incommunicable experience of war. We have felt, we still feel the passion of life to its top. In our youths, our hearts were touched with fire. Oliver Wendell Holmes. There is startling information from the Middle East. The soccer leagues have been suspended until further notice.
Of the land. This is our belief.
Speeches now, you rarely talk or mention Osama bin Laden. Why is that? Also, can you tell the American people if any more information, if you know if he is dead or alive? Kind of hard.
Yeah.
Deep in your heart, don't you truly believe that until you find out if he is dead or alive, you won't really eliminate the threat of
Well, deep in my heart, I know the man's on the run if he's alive at all. And who knows if he's hiding in some cave or not. We hadn't heard from him in a long time. And the idea of focusing on one person is really indicates to me people don't understand the scope of the mission.
Shit to James, because it's real meaningful shit to James, because at the end of every sentence he ended up with he meant that shit that he just said, boy. Everything that understand shit James said. I met him once at Saturday Night Live and walked up and said, James, I love your stuff. James said, that is it.